We have gathered reviews from all over the internet, and this is what users are saying about the Boy Mom Gifts from Sun 16 ounces Can Glass by Mocha Sweeties. If you own this item, please leave your review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The link to the product is in the description, and using it helps support the channel. The Boy Mom Gifts from Sun 16 ounces Can Glass is designed as a heartfelt present for mothers, especially those who are raising boys. It is marketed as a thoughtful gift for occasions such as birthdays, Mother's Day, Christmas, and other celebrations that honor mothers. The glass is also suitable for new moms, expecting moms, first-time mothers, and mothers-to-be, making it a versatile option for a wide range of recipients. The product is sold by the Mocha Sweeties store and comes in a well-presented gift box, which adds to the overall gifting experience. The set includes a 16-ounce can-shaped glass, a matching bamboo lid, 2 reusable glass straws, and a straw cleaning brush. The inclusion of these accessories demonstrates a focus on both aesthetics and practicality. The bamboo lid is designed to keep drinks fresh and prevent spills, which is especially useful for busy moms who may be multitasking. The straw brush is a thoughtful addition, ensuring that the glass straws can be thoroughly cleaned and maintained for safe, everyday use. One of the standout features of this product is its construction. The glass is made from 100% high-density borosilicate, a material known for its durability and resistance to thermal shock. The manufacturer emphasizes that the glass is free from lead, toxins, BPA, BPS, phthalates, and cadmium, which is reassuring for health-conscious users. This makes the glass suitable for both cold and warm beverages with a temperature tolerance of up to 70 to 80 degrees Celsius. Users have reported using it for a variety of drinks, including iced coffee, beer, cocktails, milk tea, soda, and juice, highlighting its versatility. In terms of design, the glass measures approximately 2.96 inches in width and 5.3 inches in height. This size allows it to fit comfortably in most cup holders, making it convenient for use at home, in the office, or even in cafes and bars. The transparent glass combined with the sleek can shape and the included bamboo lid creates a modern and visually appealing look. Many reviewers have commented on how the product looks exactly like the pictures provided by the seller, which is an important consideration for online shoppers who want to know that they are getting what they expect. The packaging of the Boy Mom Gifts from Sun Can Glass has received particular praise. Multiple reviewers have mentioned that the packaging is safe, durable, and protective, ensuring that the glass arrives in perfect condition. This is especially important when gifting fragile items, as it minimizes the risk of disappointment due to breakage during shipping. The attractive presentation also enhances the overall unboxing experience, making the recipient feel special and appreciated. When it comes to performance and usability, the glass has been described as both functional and enjoyable to use. The bamboo lid fits securely, helping to prevent spills and keep drinks fresh. The reusable glass straws are a popular feature, with users noting that they add a touch of elegance and make the drinking experience feel more premium. The straw brush is effective at cleaning the straws, which is essential for maintaining hygiene. The glass itself is lightweight, which makes it easy to handle, but some users have expressed concerns about its thinness. While the borosilicate material is strong, the thinness of the glass can make it feel delicate, and a few reviewers have mentioned being cautious to avoid accidental drops or knocks. Despite concerns about the glass being thin, the overall consensus is that the product is sturdy and well made. The majority of reviewers have reported that the glass feels solid and has held up well with regular use. The design is frequently described as cute, stylish, and perfect for gifting. Many users have shared stories of giving the glass to their mothers, sisters, or friends, and the recipients have consistently expressed delight with the gift. The sentiment behind the product resonates strongly, with several reviewers mentioning that it made their loved ones feel appreciated and valued. The Boy Mom Gifts from Sun Can Glass is also praised for its practicality. It is suitable for both everyday use and special occasions, and its size makes it ideal for a variety of beverages. The glass is easy to clean, although the manufacturer recommends hand washing only. This is a common requirement for glassware with decorative elements or bamboo lids, as dishwashers can sometimes cause damage or wear. The included straw brush simplifies cleaning the straws, ensuring that they remain free from residue and safe for repeated use. In terms of drawbacks, the primary concern mentioned by users is the thinness of the glass. While this contributes to a lightweight and elegant feel, it may also make the glass more susceptible to breakage if handled roughly. Some users have expressed a preference for a slightly thicker glass to provide extra peace of mind. However, there have been no widespread reports of breakage, and the packaging appears to do an excellent job of protecting the product during shipping. Another minor consideration is the hand wash only recommendation, which may be less convenient for those who prefer dishwasher-safe items. The product's dimensions and weight make it portable and easy to carry, further adding to its versatility. At 9.9 ounces, the glass is not overly heavy, and its compact size means it can be used in a variety of settings. Whether enjoying a morning coffee at home, sipping a cold beverage at work, or serving drinks at a gathering, the glass is a suitable companion. The modern design also ensures that it fits in well with a range of kitchen or office decor styles. The sentimentality of the gift is a major selling point. The product is specifically designed for mothers of boys, and the message it conveys is one of appreciation and love. Many reviewers have highlighted how much their mothers or loved ones enjoyed receiving a gift that felt personal and meaningful. The combination of thoughtful design, practical features, and attractive presentation makes this glass a standout choice for those looking to give a memorable and cherished gift. The Boy Mom Gifts from Suncan Glass has also achieved a strong reputation in terms of customer satisfaction. With a customer rating of 4.7 out of 5 stars based on over 250 ratings, it is clear that the majority of users are happy with their purchase. The product ranks highly in the kitchen and dining category, as well as among drinking jars, indicating its popularity and positive reception among buyers. In summary, the Boy Mom Gifts from Sun 16 ounces can glass by Mocha Sweeties is a well-designed, practical, and sentimental gift option for mothers, particularly those with sons. Its high-quality borosilicate construction, attractive design, and thoughtful accessories make it a versatile and enjoyable product to use. The packaging ensures safe delivery and enhances the gifting experience, while the positive feedback from users underscores its appeal. The main consideration for potential buyers is the thinness of the glass, which may require gentle handling, but this does not appear to detract significantly from overall satisfaction. If you are looking for a unique and meaningful gift for a mother, this glass is a highly recommended choice. Remember, if you have this item, please leave your review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The product link is in the description, and using it supports the channel.